this video, I want to give you some suggestions on how to travel on a dual sport motorcycle trip in Mexico. Basically on a big bike. Mexico is full of natural, beautiful places. There are thousands of non-paved roads that will lead you to unbelievable sceneries. In my experience, after being on many of these off-road trails and state roads, I haven't had any bad experiences in relation to safety, or known of any friend having any type of problems with local people. In the contrary, local people are friendly and usually are willing to help if help is needed. I want to review some recommendations for traveling on a dual sport trip through Mexico, especially on a big bike. Off-roads in Mexico in general don't have any sign directions or road names. It's very important to always travel with a topographic map or a good GPS track that will take you to your final destination. Service support on these off-road trails is almost non-available, reason why you need to reduce the risk of damaging your bike or yourself. The most effective way is to reduce your riding speed. Always travel in group. Invest on a dual-purpose tire, 50%, 50%. Mexico has many tropical storms. You can find places with lots of mud or slippery terrain. These tires last for much less miles, but they will reduce the risk of having a fall. I recommend the Continental TKC 80 and the Michelin Anikyu Wild. Gasoline is not a concern. In most of the small towns you will find a gasoline station, and in remote small villages there are always local people selling gasoline in tanks. A bit more expensive, but it's always clean fuel. Always carry extra water. I personally travel with a 1-gallon Rotopax water tank. not so popular in Mexico. It's better to stay on a hotel or a motel. In small towns, you can find a clean, non-luxury hotel for $20 a night. On big cities, prices go up above $40 a night. You will find closed gates that you can open them and pass through by, but always keep them closed, unless you find a sign that says no trespassing. Check the weather before you start your daily ride. The best weather app I have found is called windy.com. On this app, you can check the weather not just on the city or town you will pass by. You can also check the weather on the route or trail that you plan to take. For around $50, upload Map E32. This includes almost all off-road trails from Mexico. Thank you for watching and enjoy motorcycling.